back again with another lather test, this time with my grandson. Say hi. Okay, so today we're going to be doing 8 different soap bars. And the first one is from Adirondack Soapery, and this one is called Mountain Tweed. I have to tell you, it's a really wonderful fragrance.
Yeah.
Look at this lather already.
Ooh, that's actually good.
This is really nice. She's got a really good lather, lots of bubbles. Look at that, that's just seconds worth and you've got lots of it and it smells amazing. Okay, your turn.
This one is from Soapy Farm and it's donkey milk. Yeah, it's getting way more bubbles now.
Rub them together. Okay, how does it feel?
It feels like very creamy. It feels like creamy. It also feels a little I don't know.
How does it smell?
Oh. Yeah, it smells really good too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that was Donkey Milk by Soapy Oaks Farm.
Yep.
All right, next one is called Goldenrod, and this is from Cabin Fever Soaps. Look at this.
Ooh, that's good.
This one lathers really well.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's also at the same time as being, having a lot of small creamy bubbles. This one doesn't have a scent. I think this is, yep, it's unscented. And the lather is super like lotion.
Oh, that's amazing.
Look at that. That is really cool. I like this one a lot.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
next.
this one is it's from Single Barrel Soaps. It's artisan soap. Energy, I mean. Okay. Ooh, this one's good. It feels like lotion actually, and it has a lot of like smooth texture to the and it's very good feeling on my skin. The scent smells like I don't really know the scent, but all I know is it smells good.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is Lavender Vanilla Soap from BMBArtistry. Wow, right away. Look at this. Look at these bubbles. Yes.
Okay.
Wow, the bubbles in this. Oh my goodness. Smell.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Look at that. Wow, these are beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Okay, so this is from
Pumpkin Chai.
Pumpkin Chai. It's Pumpkin Chai and it's from Mrs. Wiserat. And here, let's try it. Yeah.
Okay, looks like there's a lot of good bubbles in that too.
Yeah. This one also feels like lotion, and it feels like what's the word? It feels very smooth on my skin. It makes it feel much smoother. And The scent smells like pumpkin chai.
Okay, smells like pumpkin chai. Okay, this is the last one I'm going to do, and I wanted you to see the whole soap before I cut it up because it's
Very nice.
so adorable.
And you should see if you could smell it, you'd be happy.
This is from Pixie Suds, and it's called Mountain Goat, and all of her soaps are made with goat's milk. Oh, I can smell this. It's so nice. Look at this. I mean, the soap is really... You want to use that?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to try it too. Oh my goodness, it's wonderful.
Oh, so quick.
And the soap that she made was absolutely adorable. So far, out of all of the soaps, I give them all a thumbs up, and I highly recommend them.
Yeah, but the scent of this one is like 11 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say that as well. It's like an 11 out of 10.
This one feels also like lotion mixed with shampoo kind of.
Shampoo,
I don't
okay.
know why.
Okay, so there you have it. We've done another review with a guest hand washer, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. God bless. See you next time.
Bye.